What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'll be unboxing the Fire TV Stick 4K Max and doing a quick physical comparison of the Fire TV Stick 4K. You can pause the video if you want to see the full specs of this device. Other than that, let's get right into it. So the packaging is pretty much always the same. It looks a little different. They redesigned the packaging, but you always get the same stuff in the box. Nothing too fancy. You get the wall adapter, the Amazon branded batteries, the actual Fire TV stick itself, the USB-A to micro. Yes, they're still using USB-A to micro, the new remote, and the HDMI extension cable. You get your usual manuals and stuff, but nobody ever reads that. Anyways, like I said, it's always the same stuff. And let's go ahead and compare this to the older model. So one of the biggest differences you can see right off the bat is that the newer device shows the Fire TV branding as well as the arrow. On the older device, you just get the arrow. So that's one way to distinguish which model is which. Other than that, they're basically the same. And here we have both of the remotes side by side. Very similar with the addition of the preset buttons at the bottom as well as the rebranded microphone button. Some of the other buttons also get a different location. It's also worth noting that if you buy the Fire TV Stick 4K from Amazon, you will most likely get the new remote in the packaging. If you buy it from stores, you will most likely get whatever they have in stock. Usually they clear out all their older stock and then bring in all the new stock with the new remote. And that's pretty much it. Stay tuned to this channel for a performance comparison. That should be pretty interesting to see if it's worth the upgrade. Other than that, hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.